Hey guys, I'm Katie Strain with the MSU Denver School of Hospitality, and today we're going to do a video on how to make a cool springtime centerpiece. Step 3, clean your table. So I've got a clean table, and you know what I love? When you go to Target and you see the most beautiful, perfect thing, you're so happy about it. Well, that's what happened to me 2 weeks ago. And we're gonna use it for our centerpiece. Boys, can you bring in that package? Okay, you can set it down right there. Thank you, good helpers. Oh, I mean, how beautiful is this? Mwah.
What are you doing?
Doing moving for school.
No one's coming because of the virus. And also, why is there toilet paper? And there are fall colors, and my doll is in a shoot.
You think these are fall colors?
Yeah!
I don't have any like springtime linens.
Okay, whatever. Just start from the shoot.
Does it look bad? Who makes a centerpiece out of toilet paper? But you know, this time in our lives, toilet paper is pretty awesome. And I, you know, not to brag, but I have some. I actually think it turned out pretty darn cute. I did this as a joke, but I mean, how adorable is this? Paper. Pro tip, flameless candles so you don't burn your house down because toilet paper is flammable. As you know, I don't have to tell you that. You know, if friends come over, they're gonna be super jealous. And I just remembered, you're not gonna have friends come over because we're all under quarantine. But you can enjoy this lovely centerpiece all by yourselves. And I'm gonna give myself a quarantine port wine. And from me to you, happy quarantine. Enjoy your time with your lovely family or roommate or dog or whatever. And we'll see you on the other side. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers. Hey guys, it's me again with a little secret. Right, just in case you do have that unexpected guest come over, you don't have to send them home empty-handed. You can go, hi. Here's what I've got. I mean, eat your heart out, Martha Stewart, because this is everything your guests could want, okay? They've got their own roll of toilet paper, because you've got so much. A beer, and then a lovely little card for your unexpected guest. Open it up. Sorry.
All right, please, right.
Expecting you. You just ruined my video again. God damn. I actually think it turned out pretty cute. What? Okay, I will. Give me a sec. You're gonna feel good and happy when you see your stash of toilet paper, right? Whatever.
Bye.
Wait, all right, come back in here, please. Dad, can we just do this? Oh! Will you come here and help me? Okay, thanks, Nick. I think we're gonna keep it because it looks.
Hey, why the hell do we have toilet paper in the center?
Well, because
And what's with the eggs?
Well, it's like a Easter centerpiece.
Looks good.